withdrawal process in the Tradekaro app is simple and user-friendly. Follow the steps below. Click on the three-line menu icon at the top of the Tradekaro dashboard. From the menu, select the withdrawal request option. Then, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. A withdrawal request will open. Fill in the following details. Amount. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Second password. Enter your second password. By default, this is your first password. Comment section. Fill in the details of your desired bank account to get the withdrawal, like account holder name, bank account number, IFSC code, bank name. After filling in all the details, click on the submit button. Once you complete this process, your Tradekaro withdrawal request will be successfully submitted. After submitting the request, you will receive the payout within few minutes only. How to check the details of scripts? If you want to check the detailed information of any script, example, expiry, lot size, minimum or maximum tradable quantity, in the Tradekaro app, follow these steps. Go to the watch list in the Tradekaro app and click on the script whose details you want to check. Once you click on the script, an options list will open. In this options list, click on the details option. In the details section, you will find the following information: contract size, which is also lot size, expiry date, minimum tradable quantity, maximum tradable quantity, and other important information related to the script. This feature in the Tradekaro app helps you understand the complete specifications of a script and make informed trading decisions.